Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the question answers of body movements that we completed in the previous classes, right? So, first question is, what runs through the center of the backbone? What runs? Backbone protects spinal cord, right? The answer is spinal cord. What is the name of small bones which make up the backbone? Backbone is made up of 33 small bones, we know that, and that is called vertebrae, right? Next, third question, what is present between the various vertebrae of the backbone, right? What is there? There is a cartilage which make us to move, bend, or to change the body posture, right? Next, fourth question, what are the curved bones present in our chest known as the curved bone? The chest is made up of rib bones, so they are rib bones. Name the material which gives support to the shape to the organs like ears and nose, that is cartilage, right? Next, what type of joint connects our head to the neck joint, that is pivot joint. What type of joints are mainly present in the skull? In the skull, fixed joints are present. Which of the two allows greater movement of bones? Ball and socket joint or hinge joint? Hinge joint is limited, whereas ball and socket joint we can move 360 degrees. So answer is ball and socket joint. And what type of joint makes our head to turn from side to side? Pivot joint, right? And next, which of the following has endoskeleton, which has exoskeleton? Cockroach, exoskeleton; human, endoskeleton. Name the animal which moves by lengthening and shortening. Which one? Segmented body, earthworm. Very good. Name an animal which moves by using its large disc-shaped muscular foot, gastropoda, that is snail. Okay, 13th question. Which of the two moves faster, earthworm or a snail? We know that earthworm moves faster than the snail. Name the animal which swims in water by moving its tail from side to side. Exactly, fish. Name an animal which moves on ground by looping the body. Who forms the loop while moving? Snake. Very good. State whether the following statements are true or false. The forearm has two bones, right, radius and ulnar. B. The cartilage is harder than bone. False it is, because cartilage is a smooth bone. The finger bones do not have joints. Wrong. Finger bones have joints. Next, cockroach has 3 pairs of legs. Right. Cockroach have an outer skeleton. Right. Exoskeleton it has. Snail shell is made up of bone. Wrong answer. It is made up of calcium carbonate. The movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly same. No, wrong. Some they use bones, some they use muscle. 17th question. Which part of the skeleton has arms attached to it, legs attached to it? Arms are attached to the shoulder and legs are attached to the hip. What type of joint is a shoulder joint and hip joint? Shoulder joint is ball and socket, and hip joint also ball and socket joint. 19th question. What type of joints occur at the elbow and knee? At the elbow and knee, what kind of joints are there? Hinge joints. What type of joints exist between upper jaw and rest of the skull? Fixed joints. Lower jaw, movable joint. If a boy bends his arm, which muscle contracts? When you bend means you are taking arm towards you. So the upper muscles called biceps contract, and which one relaxes? The lower side triceps relax. Bicep muscle contract, tricep muscle relax. A traffic policeman stretches stretches out his arm to the right during this movement, which muscle contract? Now you are spreading your hand, so who contracts? Tricep contract, bicep relax. Out of biceps and tricep muscle, which one causes straightening of the arm? Who causes straightening of the arm? Very good. Tricep causes straightening of arm. Which causes bending? Bicep causes bending. Very good. Name the two places in our body where pivot joint occur. It occur at the neck and as well as thumb, 360 degrees, right? Next, fill in the blanks. A combination of bones and cartilage forms the dash of the body. It forms framework of the body. The upper part of our ear contain cartilage. Joints of the bones helps in the movement of the body. The bones at the elbow are jointed by hinge joint. The contraction of the dash pulls the bone during movement, muscles. Side to side movement of the dash move the fish forward in the water. Tail movement, right? Next, short answer type questions. Name two birds which can swim in water. What kind of birds? Duck and swan. How does a bird fly in the air? How does it fly? By downstroke and upstroke with the wings, with the flight muscle, right? What happens when your bicep muscle contracts? Then you are going to fold the hand. When tricep contract, then you are going to unfold your hand. Name two animals which move with the legs and two animals which move without legs. With the legs, human and cheetah. Without legs, snake, snail, right? Next, which of the following move with the legs and without legs? Snail without, human with, snake without, fish without, cockroach with. Match the following, we'll discuss later. And next, come to (32nd question). How does an earthworm move? By lengthening and shortening. Which part of the human body are protected by the following? Skull. Skull protects brain. Rib cage, it protects lungs and heart. Backbone, it protects spinal cord. Which part of the skeleton protects the following? Brain, skull, heart and lungs, rib cage, spinal cord, backbone, eyes, eye sockets of the skull. Give examples of each. Fixed joint, skull joints. Hinge joint, elbow and knee. Ball and socket joint, hip and shoulder. Pivot joint, thumb and neck. Write the main functions of skull: protecting our brain and inner organs like eyes, ears and mouth can be protected, and as well as it gives a shape to the head. What is rib cage? State the functions. Rib cage is made up of flat bone. Name the two shoulder bones, collarbone and scapula. Write their function of the shoulder bones, right? Collarbone and scapula, they protect they involve in the movement of the hand freely by ball and socket joint. What is hip bone? Write its function. Hip bone is a circular bone and it protects the bladder and as well as sexual organs, right? In case of female individual, for the carrying of baby also it is useful. Next, what is cartilage? The smooth bone is called cartilage. Name some of our body parts where cartilage is found. Pinna of the ear, tip of the nose, in between the ribs, in between the vertebrae, we can see the cartilage. Which bone to muscle, muscle to bone also cartilage, tendon and ligament. Which material is present at the end of the bone in a joint? How does it help? At the end of the bone there is a presence of ligament. Bone to bone ligament. Ligament joins the bone and bone. Name two hinge joints, two ball and socket joints in our body. Where can we find a fixed joint in the human skeleton? Hinge joint, knee and elbow. Ball and socket joint, shoulder and hip. And we find fixed joint in the skull. Explain why we cannot bend our arm if a light wooden plank tied to it, because it makes the joint fixed so that we are unable to move. How does a snail move? With the flat disc muscular portion. How does a snake move? By forming loops, and these loops they rub the ground to move, and this type of snake movement is called slider movement. It is called slider movement, right? Next, come to multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not an arm bone in the human skeleton? Humerus, ulnar, femur, radius. Femur is the thigh bone, so C is the right answer. One of the following does not have hinge joint. Jaw, elbow, knee and shoulder. Shoulder don't have hinge joint. In animal whose movement is usually termed as creeping, snail shows the creeping movement. Bones of the lower arm are lower arm, right? Lower arm, tibia, fibulitis, leg, femur and humerus. It is wrong. Ulnar and radius, right answer. Which of the following are ball and socket joints? Shoulder joint and hip joint. B and D, means option D is the right answer. 61 question. The delicate internal organ which is protected by the rib cage is lungs and heart, both lungs and heart, right? Here, which of the following animal moves just on a large disc like foot, right? That is snail. Man can stand straight because of internal skeleton. Soft and elastic bones present in the human skeleton known as cartilage. Soft and elastic, they are called cartilage. The pivot joint occurs in the skeleton, forearms, knee, neck and hip. At the neck and as well as pivot joint at the forearm. Next, an animal having a hollow light bones, bird. Which of the following has a hinge joint between them? Skull and upper jaw, hip bone and backbone. Skull and lower jaw, hip bone and thigh bone. Skull and lower jaw. B is the right answer. Which of the following animals terms as slider associated? Snake. Which of the following is a gastropod? Snail. Which of the following occurs when we straighten our arm? Both. When you straighten your hand. Fourth option D. Triceps contract but biceps relax.